So for New Year's 2007, I spent it in Las Vegas, which was actually kind of unfortunate for me because I'm not 21. You know, can't gamble, can't club, can't hit on girls because I'm taking care of my nephew. But the thing that was really cool was that I got to see the fireworks, and you got to see it too, didn't you? New Year's in Vegas, they launched all these fireworks up there, and it was really cool. It's just a video of me seeing the fireworks, so enjoy.
Yay! This would be courtesy of George Check. Taking this on Las Vegas. There are fireworks everywhere. Video number 2, because the fireworks just didn't stop. Everyone is crazy. It's crazy over here. There are fireworks in every direction. Yeah. Treasure Island, the Venetian, over there Caesar's Palace, we can't see it. Some red tower thing also launching. Reeks of smoke, mesmerized by lights. Fireworks all around.